Hello traders, welcome to my channel. In this video I'm going to show you how to predict the next candlestick, how to analyze the market. So let's start. This is AUD JPY. The trend is downtrend and a minor downtrend. A minor downtrend. Okay, you can see a minor downtrend, and the next buyer's area is here. So I'm going to place put option. I place put option here because this is seller's area, this is resistance level. I can see rejection from sellers. The next buyer's entry point is here. You can see there's a gap to this level. So the sellers will still form a bearish candle here. That's why I place put option. It should close as a bearish candle because I'm expecting a bearish candle. I think it's testing the highs of the market, all these highs. The buyers are testing the highs. Okay, no sign of sellers, so I'm going to place a call option. Okay, I place call option here because there's no sign of sellers to reach this level. You can see a doji candlestick, no sign of sellers to reach this level. So it means that the buyers will continue going up. That's why I place call option. You can see doji candlestick. That means the market is not good, and so many weeks, so many long weeks. So at this time I need to be careful, or I will change the bet. Okay, let me see. It will close as a bullish because no sign of sellers here. I can see a strong buying pressure. Okay, gave me a winning trade. Here the trend is uptrend, very strong uptrend, and the major trend also is uptrend. I can see a strong buyer's movement. Here there's a level here and a breakout of this level. Okay, I can see a buyer's movement, and this one also. Okay, you can see here the buyers enter very strongly, and here the buyers enter very strongly. It means that this is buyer's area. Here the sellers entered a breakout, and it's also here a seller's entry, but here a weak seller, so the buyers will continue. Okay, I place call option here because previously I can see very strong seller's entry from this level, but here I'm seeing a weak sellers. So at this time the sellers are not strong, but the buyers are strong here. So it means that the buyer will still form a bullish candle. That's why I place call option. Okay, I'm expecting a bullish candle here. Okay, so now the market has reached this seller's area because we can see some seller's entries here, and again a rejection from sellers. So I think the next candle should be bearish. So I want it to go more up if I place my trade. Okay, the time is against me, so I'll wait for the next candle. Okay, because I'm confused here because of this weak bearish candle. This weak bearish candle followed by a spinning top. So most of the time the buyers will continue. So that's why I didn't rush to place my trade. Here the sellers appear very strongly after a weak seller entry. I'm going to place put option. I place put option here because after this weak seller's entry, from here, from this level, the sellers appear very strongly. A bearish engulfing, a new low. The trend also is downtrend. That means the next candle will be bearish, at least to this level. That's why I place put option. Okay, so here I'm expecting a bearish candle. Okay, I can see that the buyers are stopping the sellers not to go below this level. Can see a weak bearish candle. It gave me a loss in trade. Don't know why. Because of my entry. So I'll place the trade again. Okay, here I'm very late, so I'm going to place put option here. I place put option here because this is a weak bearish candle, a continuation sign of this downtrend. So at this time the sellers will still form a bearish candle because the sellers is heading to this point here. Okay, is heading to this next level. That's why I place put option. But my entry, okay, you can see gave me a winning trade. So now I have taken 5 trades, 1 OTM and 4 ITM because of my entry. So it is better I stop trading now because I can see weak candle. The market is getting bad now, so I need to stop at this moment. Okay, so you don't overtrade the market. Just wait for the right moment and place your trade. Okay, so now I will explain the trade again. I place put option here because the trend is downtrend. The next level is here, and I can see that there is a gap to this level. That means the sellers will continue to this level. That's why I place put option. Okay, but it closed as a doji candlestick. And here I place call option here because in previously I'm expecting a sellers to reach this level. That is, this candle supposed to be a bearish to reach this level, but a doji candlestick. It means no sign of sellers. No sign of sellers here. That means the next candle will be bullish. That's why I place call option here. Okay, and this one I place call option because I can see a weak bearish candle. The next level is here, a buyer's movement. That means the next candle will be bullish and the trend is uptrend. That's why I place call option. Okay, and this one I lost the trade because I lost the trade because of my entry. My entry is late. You can see a weak bearish candle. It closed above my entry. So at this time the IQ option is manipulating this candle. Okay, so I supposed to win this trade, but it is like the buyers that are buying the market are more than the sellers at that minute. So the candle closed above my entry, so I lost the trade. Okay, why I place put option here? Because here I can see that after this weak candle, because previously you can see strong sellers entry, but here after weak candle the buyers entered. Buyers reach this level, it got rejected from sellers because the trend is downtrend. That means the sellers are active. Here you can see the sellers are active, you can see strong sellers, and again a rejection. So sellers entered the market very strongly. No upper rejection from buyers. Yes, no upper rejection from buyers means that no buyers activities now. And this is a strong bearish candle, a bearish engulfing with a new low. So it means that the next candle will be bearish, but my entry is late. That's why I lost this trade. Okay, and here I place put option here because after I saw that this is a weak candle, after I see that this is a weak candle, it doesn't show the body of buyers. That means if you check in other broker, it is a bullish candle, but in Nike option it is a bearish candle. So after I see that this is a bearish candle, no sign of buyers here, and the trend is downtrend, and the next level is here, it means that the next candle will be bearish. That's why I place put option. Okay, this is how you can analyze the markets. So wait for the right moment to place your trade. Don't place your trade blindly, don't place your trade anyhow. Wait for the right moment, wait for the right opportunity, and place your trade. Okay, and if you should practice always on demo account before you go on live account. Okay, if you like my video, like, share and subscribe. Thank you.